Is the upcoming Insta360 X6 about to become the biggest upgrade we have ever seen in a consumer 360 camera? Because right now, the timing feels almost too perfect. Every single April, Insta360 launches a new model, and here we are again in that exact window with leaks popping up everywhere. People are talking about a 1-inch sensor, 8K video at 60 frames per second, 10-bit color, and even smarter AI editing tools. So in this video, we're going to break down everything we know so far, what sounds realistic, what might be hype, and most importantly, whether you should actually wait for the X6 or buy something else right now. Stick with me because this one could change the entire 360 camera space. Let's start with the biggest rumor on the list, the 1-inch sensor, because this is where things get seriously interesting. You might be thinking bigger sensors sounds nice, but what does it actually mean in real life? Here's the deal. A larger sensor captures more light, which directly improves low light performance, color accuracy, and overall image detail. In the world of compact 360 cameras, that is a massive step forward. Right now, most cameras in this category rely on smaller sensors to keep the size portable. If the X6 truly introduces a 1-inch sensor in a pocket-sized body, it would close the gap between action cameras and professional video gear. That means cleaner night footage, smoother gradients in bright skies, and more usable footage straight out of the camera. For creators who shoot travel, events, or indoor content, that alone could be the upgrade worth waiting for. Now let's talk about video performance, because this is the second big headline. Current 360 cameras already shoot 8K video, but most of them are limited to 30 frames per second. That works fine for general filming, but it can struggle with fast motion or action scenes. Moving to 8K at 60 frames per second changes that completely. You get smoother motion, more flexibility for slow motion editing, and sharper results after reframing your footage. Think of it like upgrading from a standard highway to a high-speed express lane. Everything feels smoother and more controlled. Here's where the debate gets juicy. This is not just about resolution numbers. Higher frame rates at high resolution give creators more freedom to experiment without sacrificing quality. That is the kind of upgrade that actually shows up in your final video. Another feature getting a lot of attention is the rumored shift to 10-bit video. On paper, that might sound technical, but in real use, it makes a huge difference. Most consumer cameras record in 8-bit color, which looks great at first, but starts to fall apart when you push the image during editing. Shadows become noisy, highlights lose detail, and colors can look unnatural. With 10-bit recording, the camera captures significantly more color information in every frame. That means smoother gradients, better dynamic range, and more flexibility when color grading your footage. If you've ever tried matching footage from multiple cameras, you know exactly how valuable that can be. For creators who care about cinematic quality, this could easily be the most important upgrade of them all. Now here is the feature that feels both exciting and a little mysterious: AI auto editing. The idea behind this technology is simple but powerful. Instead of manually choosing angles and reframing footage, the camera software analyzes your video, tracks subjects, and automatically creates a finished clip ready to share. You know what's funny? Editing has always been the biggest barrier to using 360 cameras. Shooting is easy, but turning that footage into something watchable takes time. If the X6 delivers reliable AI editing that actually works, it could make 360 cameras far more accessible to everyday creators. Now, will it be perfect right away? Probably not, but even a partial improvement could save hours of editing time each week. So, when is this camera actually coming, and why are people so confident it is close? The answer comes down to patterns. Insta360 has built a reputation for consistent release cycles. The X3 arrived in late 2022, the X4 followed in April 2024, the X5 launched in April 2025. That creates a very clear rhythm. One major update each year right around the same time. And now we're sitting in April again with leaks gaining momentum and excitement building across the community. In my experience, companies rarely break a pattern that works. That's why many people believe the announcement could happen within weeks rather than months. So, what do we know after looking at all these rumors together? If even half of these upgrades become reality, the Insta360 X6 could represent a genuine leap forward rather than a small refresh. A larger sensor, higher frame rate video, richer color depth, and smarter editing tools all point towards a camera designed to stay relevant for years to come. But here's where the decision gets personal. If you already own a recent model and it still meets your needs, there's no pressure to upgrade immediately. If you're planning your first 360 camera purchase, waiting a little longer might give you access to significantly better technology. So, what do you think? Is the 1-inch sensor the feature that excites you the most, or is the promise of smarter editing the real game changer? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of every new leak and announcement, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next update.